Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to break down RAM, what it is, how it works, and why it matters. If you've ever wondered why some computers feel faster than others, RAM is a huge part of the story. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's a type of short-term memory your computer uses to store data that's being used right now. Think of it like your brain's working memory. It doesn't hold on to things forever, but it lets you multitask fast. When you open a program, say a web browser or a video editor, that data gets loaded from your hard drive into RAM. Why? Because RAM is way faster than storage. It gives your CPU quick access to what it needs to keep things running smoothly. Here's where a lot of people get confused. RAM is not storage. Storage is your long-term memory, like your SSD or hard drive. RAM is short-term, and it gets wiped clean every time you shut down your computer. Most modern computers use DDR4 or DDR5 RAM. The main differences are speed and power efficiency. Newer generations can move more data faster. You might also see terms like SD-RAM or LPDDR for mobile devices. The more RAM your system has, the more programs you can run at the same time. If your RAM runs out, your system slows down or crashes because it has to offload data to the much slower hard drive. For basic tasks like browsing and email, 4GB and 8GB is okay. For gaming, creative work, or multitasking, go for at least 16GB. Power users or video editors might need 32GB or more, especially for 4K editing or heavy workloads. To sum it up, RAM doesn't store files forever, but it keeps your system fast, responsive, and able to juggle multiple apps at once. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make to improve your computer's performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We've got more Tech Explainer videos coming your way, so stay tuned.